Good afternoon, students. Today, accountancy. Last class we are studied what? Journal entry. Journal entry means the process of analyzing the business transaction under the head debit and credit. The recording them. Journal is called journalizing. The journal is transaction business in business transaction. Transaction means purchase, sales, purchase return, sales return. That is transactions. The transaction is recorded in easy to identify the problems or financial problems or some sales or purchase problem means easy to identify the journal entry. Okay. Today different journal entries I explain. First one journal entry is example 1. Somu commenced printing business with cash. Printing business with cash. I explained first journal entry only. You talk, listen, accountancy note. You use single page only. See each one page you use. First date particulars. LF means ledger folio, debit, credit. First one question is Somu commands a printing business with cash. That one word is indirect means that word is capital. Business means capital. Listen. Somu commands printing business with cash. Cash incoming or going outgoing? Incoming. Commands business with cash. Cash transaction in started business. Cash account DR to Somu capital account. CR you not enter. DR only you enter. 50,000 cash account DR. Somu capital account CR. CR means that is credit side. Next one narration. Narration means conclusion. Somu commands business with capital. Listen students. Commenced business means automatically you enter use only that word is capital only you use. Capital only you use. Other next cash account DR to capital account or some name means same. That name is Somu or Ramu capital account. Next second one transaction. Question is listen. Brought goods for cash. Brought goods for cash. Brought means what? Brought means purchase. Purchase goods for cash. Purchase goods for cash means which one is outgoing, which one is incoming? Purchase goods for cash. Purchase means incoming. 20,000 rupees you spent some goods. Cash is other person outgoing. Incoming is what? Purchase. Incoming means DR. Incoming means DR. Incoming means DR. DR means listen journal entry. Purchase account DR to cash account CR. Purchase account DR to cash account CR. Narration. Cash purchase made. Okay. Cash incoming means you enter in DR only. Listen. Cash outgoing means CR. Next one in entry. Purchase goods from Rahul for 10,000 on credit. Purchase goods from Rahul on credit. Credit purchase. Credit purchase means credit purchase or cash purchase. Cash incoming or outgoing? Cash is outgoing. Credit purchase. Purchase means automatically goods in. Goods is incoming or outgoing? Incoming. Goods purchase account DR. Rahul account CR. From Rahul 10,000 on credit. Rahul account CR. Brought goods from Rahul on credit. Next one. Cash paid to Rahul. Cash paid to Rahul. Which one is incoming, Rahul or cash? Cash paid to Rahul. Rahul account. Rahul paid. That is cash account is Rahul DR. Cash is outgoing. Which person? Rahul. That is Rahul account DR. Cash account is CR. Listen students, you enter one by one. First question, commenced business, journal entry. First question, second one, third one. That is, you write question. Next, journal entry. You enter journal entry. Each question, one entries you one by one you write. Write only in accountancy note only. Do not write in rough note or ruled note. You use only in accountancy note only. Next one, journal entry is withdraw cash for personal use. Withdraw cash for personal use. Withdraw means what? Drawing. Cash withdraw for personal use. Withdraw means this cash is incoming. Cash is incoming. Withdraw account DR. Cash account CR. Listen. Withdraw cash for personal use. Withdraw means personal use. Personal use means automatically cash is incoming or outgoing. Outgoing only personal use. Okay. That is cash withdraw account DR. Cash account CR. Withdraw means drawing. Next one, cash deposit into bank. Cash deposit into bank. Bank. Bank means incoming. What? Bank. Outgoing is cash. Bank account DR. Cash account CR. Next one. Listen student, the account involved natural account, nature of the account, how affected in business, debit, credit. This is a nature of the account, personal account, real account. Last class we have studied classification of account, personal account, real account and nominal account. Personal account is tangible assets, intangible assets. So many repeated so many times I am telling this personal account, real account and nominal account. This conclusion only this box. Next one, paid salary by check. Paid salary by check. Paid salary means cash incoming or outgoing? Outgoing. Salary means incoming. Salary account DR. Check means what? Check, withdraw, drawing this content, bank oriented content. Check means bank oriented content. By check. Question is paid salary by check. Salary account DR to bank account CR. Narration. Salary paid by check. Listen students, first one is debited only, you put right in DR symbol only. You CR not entered. Next one you write means first one is salary account, that is date margin is that side only. But CR little bit move one gap to bank account. The DR and CR word same line, you do not write. CR content is little one finger gap you move to bank account, to sales account, to salary account, to only one figure gap you must write. Next one is sold goods to Makesh on credit. Sold goods to Magesh on credit. Sold means what? Sold means sales. Sales means the goods sold to Magesh on credit. Magesh account DR. Sales account CR. Listen students, each and every entries you cash only, cash, cash, cash. You not thinking. Incoming which one, outgoing is which one. First you think which is incoming. Which one the next one is which one outgoing. You first decided. This question is sold goods to Magesh on credit. Magesh account DR. Sold means what? Sales. Sales account CR. Magesh account means you write in margin. Margin play you write margin side. Margin means date column you will write, but two account is one figure gap is compulsory. Next one, ninth one. The sold goods to Mahendran for cash 5,000. Sold goods to Mahendran for cash. Cash is incoming or outgoing. Sold goods means what? Sold means sales goods. Goods sales means next one what? Automatically cash is incoming. Sold goods means automatically cash incoming. Narration is cash sales made. Cash sales. Next one. Borrowed loan from bank. Borrowed loan from bank. Loan from bank means automatically you having so much of amount is cash having. Is cash is incoming or outgoing? Incoming. You borrowed a bank loan means what? You so much of amount you and having. That is cash account DR to bank loan account CR. Cash account DR to bank loan account CR. Next one is received commission rupees 55,000 by cash. Received commission. Received means automatically cash is incoming. Received commission. Received means automatically indirectly cash is incoming. Cash account DR, commission account CR. The next one word is commission paid means what? Same. Commission paid means commission account DR, cash account CR. Cash paid means automatically cash is outgoing. Automatically cash is outgoing. Received means automatically cash is receiver. That is cash account DR, commission received account CR. The conclusion or narration is commission received. Next one. Paid 4,800 is full settlement. 5 due on creditors Kirtana. Is Kirtana amount is how much? 5,000. 2. Paid full amount 5,000 due to credit Kirtana. If paid means Kirtana is incoming. Cash is outgoing. How much is cash outgoing? 4,800. 2,200 is what? Discount received. Discount received. That is split this different entry only. Kirtana, listen question. Paid 4,800 settlement or 5,000 due to credit Kirtana. That is Kirtana is account DR. Next one is 2 cash account CR 4,800. Next automatically for your amount, our total amount is 5,000. You settled only 4,800, means balance how much? Balance how much? 200. 200 is a discount received account. Discount received account. Okay, students, this 12 entries, each one by one. Illustration 1, illustration 2. You write illustration 1 and illustration 2, you write in date column. Illust 1, illust 2, you write 1, 2, 3 order. You write first question means Somu started a business with cash. First question. Next one, journal means you centrally you journal entry. Next one, what? Date, particulars, LF, debit, credit. First one is received. DR means, that is DR you write only in margin. You write margin. Let's say that line you write. But CR means is compulsorily one finger gap, little bit you move to commission received account. Okay, student, next class, everybody show your note. Students, please don't you waste your time. Next week, compulsory first monthly test. Okay. Your first presentation or first exam is best exam only. Students, do not waste your time. Okay. Thank you, students. Next class we will meet. Next one, new topic. Okay. Thank you, students.